Good morning, class. Today is a B day, and we have art and PE as our specials. Let's start our day with our joke. Why do cows wear bells? Take a second and think about it. Because their horns don't work. What a funny joke for today. Today in science, we're going to be learning about the life cycle of a monarch butterfly. Aren't they just so beautiful? The objective of our lesson is to understand the different steps that are included in the life cycle of a monarch butterfly from egg to adult. Stage 1 is the egg. You can see on the leaf there's two little white dots. Those would be the eggs. Monarch butterflies lay their eggs on milkweed plants. Okay? A female monarch butterfly can lay between 100 and 300 eggs in her lifetime. That's quite a few. And it takes about 4 days for each egg to hatch. Step 2 is the larva stage, or something you guys might know as a caterpillar. After hatching, the caterpillar feeds on the milkweed plants that the eggs were laid on. The caterpillar sheds its skin many times as it grows. And the larva stage lasts about 11 to 18 days, depending on the caterpillar. Stage 3 is the pupa stage, or a chrysalis, or some people might call them cocoons, okay? The caterpillar will attach itself to the underside of a surface so that it can hang down, okay? It hangs upside down and sheds its yellow and black skin. The chrysalis shell will then be green like a leaf. This will help it camouflage and hide from some animals that may want to eat it. The chrysalis stage lasts about 8 to 14 days. Stage 4 is the butterfly, the adult monarch butterfly. They have two orangish red wings with black veins or lines and white spots all around the edges. I'm sure you guys have seen some while playing outside at home. Their wings are actually covered in scales, so that's kind of a fun fact. And the male butterflies are larger than the female butterflies. Some interesting facts that I found about monarch butterflies that I thought you guys would like is that from egg to adult, the butterfly's entire life cycle only takes 22 to 37 days. That's a little less or just over a month. Monarch caterpillars only feed on the milkweed plants. They only eat those leaves. The butterflies themselves, though, they feed on all kinds of nectar-producing plants, like flowers. These butterflies only live in their adult stage for about 2 to 5 weeks. So if you see an adult monarch butterfly flying around, please leave it alone and allow it to enjoy its very short life. Unfortunately, the monarch butterfly population isn't doing so well. So if you guys want to help the population, you can visit the Amigos for Monarchs website and get a free kit. This kit includes milkweed seeds that will help boost the population of monarch butterflies in our area. The website is amigosformonarchs.org. Make sure if you do want to visit a website like this, you definitely ask permission from an adult. Let's do some review. Stage 1 is the egg. The egg is laid on the milkweed leaves. Stage 2 is the larva stage. That's the caterpillar, just like the picture that I have on this page. Stage 3 is the pupa, so the chrysalis, or it's also known to some people as the cocoon. Stage 4 is the adult butterfly, the beautiful butterfly we see flying around in orange and black. Our homework for tonight for science is very simple. You're only going to draw a picture of each stage. For stage 1, you can draw a leaf with some eggs. Stage 2, you can draw a caterpillar. Stage 3, you can draw your chrysalis. And stage 4, you can draw your beautiful adult monarch butterfly. Make sure you take your time, use good coloring, and make sure that you read which boxes are for which stage. We don't want to make accidental mistakes.